Hey, I want to do a quick review on this Tovala oven. I literally just finished cooking bacon with it, and you see it came out crispy. That was about 17 minutes. But we've been using this for about 2 to 3 years. Like, I remember when I bought it, I was up in the middle of the night, and I think we were just getting rid of the microwave because we don't have a microwave. We switched to completely using a toaster oven. And we had one of the cheaper toaster ovens, and I decided we're going to get a smart toaster oven, one that connects to Wi-Fi and does all the good stuff. And set that there. And I use this thing daily, or we use it daily. And as you can see, it is kind of dirty. It does get messy. When you use it every single day, things fall. That bottom pan comes out. So I clean it. I throw it in a dishwasher. I can't remember if you're supposed to, but I throw it in the dishwasher and get it clean. But we honestly need to clean this part. But this thing gets used like any other toaster oven. So it's not going to be pretty after you use it. But it has been phenomenal over the last few years. Right now I'm going to toast my bagel. And as you can see, I put the bagel on the top rack because it doesn't cook it as bad. It doesn't burn it. Put it on a 1. Wait a minute. Put it on a 1. Hit start. And that gives it about 4 minutes. Now, the beauty of toasting in this is it does allow you to add water. I'll show you right now. It doesn't tell me that it needs water, but I'm assuming I haven't put water in a while, so it might need a lot, or might need enough. But you put 1 cup of water, and the beauty of it, oh yeah, it filled up. The beauty of this toaster oven is when you use the toaster, it steams while it is toasting your bread. So I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a steamy sound. This little bar in the back, it distributes water or burns water on that bar, and that creates a steam, which makes your bread come out softer. It also does that for other foods that you might cook, so that it doesn't just cook the food, it provides a little bit of moisture so that it's on the softer side. So yeah, we love it. We use this thing every day, usually for cooking bacon, but my wife cooks veggies in it. It's an air fryer as well, so she uses it like that. I've cooked French fries in it. The fries come out amazing, but we have a real air fryer, so it is a difference, I will say that, between using a real air fryer and using this. It does air fry, but you just have to, it's not as crispy as a traditional air fryer, so I will say that. One thing I do want to touch on, I know that Tovala comes with a subscription service for meals, and we used to order those meals, and they were great. But it just got to the point where we realized we just needed a toaster oven to cook our everyday food. And another beauty of this is you can scan. It has like a scan. Like if you press right here, it has scan. It'll scan the barcode, and it can cook the food based on the product that you scan. So right now I'm in the app. I'm not actually logged in, but I haven't logged in a while because I rarely use the app. But you can see they have their meals. And when you're cooking, you can search for different products that you bought, and it'll cook based on the settings that the system knows. So yeah, if you have some French fries, you can scan the barcode, and it might know how to cook them without you having to change the settings or anything. So that's pretty cool. It goes by the barcode. But yeah, I mean, we've had this for about 2-3 years and never had any issues. I highly recommend this to anyone looking for a smart toaster oven. The only thing is, compared to our old toaster oven, this one is kind of small, and I will measure it real quick. Use our trusty tape measure. As you can see, put that down. As you can see, that's about 13 inches of space. I think our original toaster oven was like 14, maybe 15 inches. So we went down in size, but we've been able to make it work for us. And as you can see, we do have these papers. We went with the natural ones because they aren't bleached. But these papers allow us to cook food on, and they fit perfectly on the thing. Now, I will say that when we first got it, we were eating, I think, 4 strips of bacon each. And yeah, it was a lot. So because we had to cut down in the size of the toaster oven, we cut down in the amount of bacon that we were eating. So essentially we saved money. So I say the last part to say you don't need to pay for the subscription in order to get the Tovala oven. Now I'm not sure if they have some type of requirements to get it for a certain price, but I know after maybe, I want to say for 6 months to a year, we decided that we didn't need the meals anymore and we just canceled, and now we only use it as a toaster oven, and it's been great for us. All right. The only reason I would change it is if we wanted a bigger one or something that could hold more food. But as of right now, we are doing great. Let's get my bagel out of here and let's see how it came out. Yep, it came out perfect. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching, and you have a blessed day.